It can be difficult to stick to a traditional diet and exercise regimen, but there are some tried and true strategies that can help you eat fewer calories with ease. These are excellent methods for losing weight and preventing future weight gain. Here are several methods for losing weight without dieting or exercising. Slow down and eat thoroughly. Your brain requires some time to digest the fact that you've had enough to eat. Chewing your food thoroughly causes you to eat more slowly, which is connected with decreased food intake, enhanced fullness, and smaller portion sizes. How quickly you complete your meals may also have an impact on your weight. Consume plenty of protein. Protein has potent appetite suppressant properties. It can boost feelings of fullness, decrease hunger, and help you consume fewer calories. This could be because protein influences numerous hormones involved in appetite and fullness, including ghrelin. If you currently eat a grain-based breakfast, you should think about moving to a protein-rich meal like eggs. Chicken breasts, salmon, and Greek yogurt are examples of protein-rich foods. Almonds, lentils, and quinoa for unhealthy foods. Use smaller dishes. The average dinner plate is now larger than it was a few decades ago. This trend may contribute to weight gain because using a smaller plate may encourage you to eat less by making servings appear larger. A larger plate, on the other hand, can make a dish appear smaller, encouraging you to add more food. Keep harmful foods hidden. Keeping unhealthy items visible may raise your hunger and cravings, forcing you to eat more. This is also associated with weight gain. According to one recent study, individuals who have high-calorie items visible in the house are more likely to weigh more than those who keep merely a bowl of fruit accessible and eat fiber-rich foods. Consuming fiber-rich foods may promote satiety, allowing you to feel fuller for extended periods of time. According to research, one form of fiber, viscous fiber, is especially beneficial for weight loss since it enhances fullness and decreases food intake. Drinking water on a regular basis, especially before meals, will help you eat less and lose weight. One adult study discovered that drinking half a liter, 17 ounces, of water 30 minutes before meals lowered appetite and calorie intake. Participants who drank water before a meal lost 44% more weight than those who did not over a 12-week period. You may notice an even bigger effect if you replace calorie-laden drinks like soda or juice with water. Make smaller portions for yourself. Portion sizes have grown in recent decades, particularly in restaurants. Larger serving sizes encourage people to eat more, which has been related to an increase in weight gain and obesity. Eat without any electronic distractions. Paying attention to what you eat may aid in calorie reduction. People who eat while watching television or playing computer games may lose track of how much they have eaten, which can lead to overeating. When it comes to health, sleep properly and avoid stress. People frequently overlook sleep and stress, both of which have significant effects on hunger and weight. Sleep deprivation can interfere with the appetite-regulating hormones leptin and ghrelin. Cortisol, another stress hormone, rises while you are stressed. Furthermore, prolonged sleep deprivation and stress may raise your chance of developing a variety of conditions, including type 2 diabetes and obesity. Avoid sugary drinks. Added sugar may be the single worst element in today's diet. Sugary drinks, such as soda, have been linked to an elevated risk of a variety of ailments. Water, coffee, and green tea are examples of healthy liquids to substitute.